Stronger breath than me.
You can feel, huh?
Yeah, it's
very
it's
good.
very nice.
I'd like to practice this with you. Good, very good.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you also say the tongue, different tongues, like sing?
What do you mean?
Xu, like different tone.
Oh, different tones.
Yeah, tone.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
I think the lower part, the lowest one, can you say very low?
Yeah.
Can you say?
Oof, I could try.
Yeah.
Shoo. I know, so that was a bad one.
Sorry.
Yeah, no, I get it. I felt it.
Okay. No. You
I
not.
know, it's hard to keep the note going down and keep the mouth. It's hard.
Okay, I think the previous one, the first one, that's the most.
I agree.
Good one.
I didn't like the way it felt when I went down.
Okay, so which one you prefer?
Probably that first note.
Yeah. Say that again.
Shoo.
Yeah.
Shoo. Yeah.
Shoo. This one is this color. Shoo. Actually, I also noticed the difference. You sing like I think also English people sing from the throat, like the pronunciation. This one is mostly like
In here.
You hear, I try to make the sound from here or make here.
Yeah, that's proper singing is from here.
Oh, okay, so that's good.
Yeah.
Good. You prefer. So sing here like the vibration here inside. Of course, lead to the liver, huh? Yeah. Longer, better, huh?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, good job. You are already best than everyone else for the first time.
It feels good.